here?
Yeah.
What?
Good.
What are you trying to say?
What you got for you here?
Oh, sweet.
You like that?
Yeah.
Did you want that?
Yes, I wanted it on my
Store.
I heard it. I heard it through the grapevine.
That's okay.
Did your elf give you the message? Did you get
Oh,
the
yeah.
letter?
Are you
Oh,
just
yeah.
showing the pictures?
I heard it through that wall.
It's in here.
That's yours.
All right, we have a Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Wow, let me see that.
All right.
Zach, come here.
Come here, Zach. Zach.
Oh, it's nice and loud.
Come here, Zach.
You take that.
That's yours.
Come here.
That's for you.
Yeah.
Come here.
You can have it.
Do you want to go see Santa? Here.
You want to come see Santa? Can you go ho, ho, ho?
Go, do you want that toy?
You want this?
Yeah, you can
Okay,
have
you
it.
can have it. Merry Christmas.
He doesn't see a thing. Jamers, come here.
Come here, Jamers.
Look, Santa's
Come
got
here,
something
Jamers.
for you.
Can you come and say hi to Santa?
Oh, that's one. Sorry.
I got something for you in here.
Dogs.
That's right. Teach him to take toys from strangers.
You like this?
Look at it,
Go.
Zach.
Can you give me a smile?
He got one just like
Yeah.
yours. Is that a cool truck?
Can I get a high five?
Wow.
A handshake?
Yours.
Nice meeting you.
That's as close as Zach's gonna get.
Yeah? Did you like this? Merry Christmas.
Hey, Gracie. That's your camera.
Merry Christmas.
And now the only girl we have, Santa.
The only girl.
Only
Did you
girl.
have to come and see Santa?
Wow. What did you get?
Can
We
you
gotta
say
take
Merry Christmas
pictures
to
so we
everybody?
can show,
Look up
Yeah,
there.
look up everybody. Look up to everybody. Stand tall.
It is loud.
Good
Oh,
girl.
you look very pretty up here.
Yeah.
Let's see what Grace is going to
Let's
get.
see what we got for you, huh?
I want to take a picture of your present.
What is
Huh?
it?
You know what that is?
A music
Yes, it
box.
is.
Wow.
A prince and a princess music
I heard you like
box.
Prince and Princesses, huh?
All right, everybody come stand by Santa. We'll take
Okay.
your picture together.